From Actionable Ops, here's how to give Hermes an animated desktop mascot that reacts to what the agent is doing across the CLI, TUI, and desktop app. Hermes can show an animated pet, a small mascot sprite that reacts to what the agent is doing, idle, running a tool, thinking, finishing a turn, or failing. 6 states in total. Pets come from the public Petdex gallery, and they are purely cosmetic. Zero effect on tokens, caching, or agent behavior. The feature is off by default and stays dormant until you install and select a pet. The quick start takes 3 commands. Browse the gallery with Hermes Pets List. Filter by substring, like Hermes Pets List Cat. Install a pet and make it active in one step with Hermes Pets Install, plus the slug, plus -- select. Then preview it in your terminal with Hermes Pets Show. Control-C to stop. A few more commands round out the set. Hermes Pets Select switches the active pet. Hermes Pets Scale resizes the pet everywhere, one knob, clamped between 0.1 and 3.0. Hermes Pets Doctor diagnoses your setup, shows the resolved pet, render mode, and terminal graphics protocol. And Hermes Pets Off disables the pet entirely. Inside a session, you do not need to leave the chat. The /pet command manages everything in line. /pet toggles the pet on or off. /petlist browses the gallery. /pet scale 0.5 resizes. /pet followed by a slug adopts a specific pet. In the TUI, /petlist opens an interactive picker overlay. In the desktop app, the pet floats as a sprite on a canvas. Manage it 2 ways. Command K, then Pets, gives you a gallery palette, or Settings, then Appearance, adds a size slider that resizes the mascot live as you drag. Shift-click the floating pet to pop it out into its own transparent, always-on-top window. It stays visible while Hermes is minimized, so a glance tells you what the agent is doing. On rendering. In the terminal, Hermes renders the sprite at full fidelity when your terminal supports a graphics protocol like Kitty, Ghosty, WesTerm, ITARM2, or Sixel. Otherwise, it falls back to true color Unicode half blocks automatically. All settings live under display.pet in config.yaml. Enabled, slug, render mode, scale. 1 gotcha. The Petdex npm CLI installs to a different directory. Install pets through Hermes Pets, not npm. That's Pets in Hermes, built by Noose Research. For more Hermes how-tos, go to actionableops.com.